Hey guys, we're going to do a quick example for when making a class level variable would make the most sense. Here I have 4 horses. If I wanted each of them to have a variable for speed and name, I would have to have 8 variables right here in my first method. So the first thing you want to do is go to the scene class and decide where you want to make the class level variable. Do all quadrupeds have these variables, or do just horses? In my example, I'll just have horses. So anytime you're making variables that belong to every single object in this class, you create a property. Mine are going to have 2 variables, one for speed, which is a whole number, and initialize it. You can give it a starting value. In my example, I'm going to start it at 0. And then I'm going to create a procedure which will change it. So I'm going to have another example for name as well. And in this example, their initializing value is an empty string because every horse will have a name. Now, whenever you have these variables, they're called instance variables, you need a procedure to help construct values for those variables. So it's called a constructor. So the point of a constructor is to provide these variables values. So notice you have set speed, we'll just choose a random value for now, and set name. Okay, so let's say I want to set the speed to a random amount. You've done this before. Let's say I want it between 5 and 10, 2 whole numbers, custom 5 and 10. Now let's say I want the name to be whatever the user wants. I could have a function, and I could have getString from user. Please name this horse. Okay. So in my first method, now I could call the constructor for each of these horses. And when I hit run, please name this horse A, B, C, D. And as of right now, it doesn't use any of this information. So maybe I have another procedure that's like a welcome. And the horse will say, my name is, and he can say plus what his name is. And then we can say how fast he is. I am plus a whole number, speed, and then we'll say speed plus miles per hour. So the same thing after you call horse constructor, you'll need your horses to call their welcome. So we have A, B, C, and D. My name is B, C, and D. And notice the miles per hour were different as well. Thank you.